boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. My friends, today I'm coming to you from the desert Southwest. I'm in America, my friends. 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius. My friends, it's a nice warm day in the southwest area of America, my friends. But my friends, I come to you, I'm tired, I'm frustrated, I'm heartbroken, my friends, as to the direction that my country is going in right now, my friends. Things will get better, and we hope they will. My friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author, my friends. I write these books. You can find them on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, and the ebook. I thank you guys for going out to the library and asking them to order the books for you free, my friends. We all want to be on the same page. You can go to your local library. They'll do that for you. You can go to your local bookstore. You can purchase them. My friends, it's on you. Do what you want to do, my friends. But hey, it's rough. It's rough. I want to thank you guys for your thoughts and your prayers with what we're going through here in my country. I know that The Scoop is only like 25%, 30% of my subscribers are from America. Everyone else is outside of America. And there's a lot going on, my friends, right now in America. And I just thank you guys for your prayers and your well wishes there. Because we've been catching it a little bit. You know, the eyes are of America seem to be centered on the African American male, the black male, moi, and it's something that things that are coming out of the woodworks right now, my friends, that you're seeing, it's not good. But my friends, you know, and I know, we're providers for our family. That's what we do. So at the end of the day, my friends, we have to make money. And we have to put food on the table for our families. That's why I do these shows, my friends. I do these for you and myself. Because I invest basically in the same stock. When I do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, we go knock on doors, we do what we have to do with these companies. I'm putting my money where my mouth is also, because I'm jumping in there also, my friends. So that's it with that. You know, we cover these areas. I'm gonna give you some updates here. We're gonna look at a couple of the stocks. We'll look at what's going on here, my friends, right now. As you guys know, stocks go up, stocks go down. That's just the way it is, my friends. And you know, it's a business that you have to have a, like Rick was saying, you have to, my buddy in London there, he was saying, Mickey D, these stocks go up, go down 80%. You got to have a strong stomach, my friends. You got to be, you know, I'm telling you right now, my friends, the stocks, these are high risk. You know, you can get a great reward with these stocks, but you got to have a strong stomach. And if you've got a, you know, maybe I don't want to get on anyone with the pacemaker or anything, because I have people all over the world that need to feed their families and make money. And but you got to have a strong. You got to be strong, my friend. You got to be. You got to be strong. Got to work out, man. Got to do some sit-ups or something. You know, you gotta. I got a bad back. I'll be all right. I'll be all right. Anyway, my friends. Let's take a look at our sectors real quick. Marijuana sector, of course. My friends, have you noticed IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, back up to going around 100 or so? You guys notice that? Remember we got out, you know, 100. We wrote it up as a teenager, up until about 140. Remember that? Well, it's headed back up, guys. And if you look at some of the old videos, you guys remember me telling you IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, was the #1 marijuana stock. That was the #1 retirement marijuana stock. You guys remember I put that out there a few years ago? I stand by what, you know, even guys look at videos and they say, oh, Mickey D, whatever, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, whatever, whenever I put that video out there, and there's an IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties playlist out there. You can look at the shows I've done on IIPR for a long. We made a lot of money with IIPR. We did very, very well, my friends. And some of you told me you got stuff remodeled in your house. You got new tires on your cars. You did things. And I was happy for you. That's great. That's great, my friends. My friends, that was 2017, 2018. We did well. You know, it was it was a legendary run up. That was just a great time, my friends. Great time. But what have you done for me lately? This generation is what have you done for me lately here, my friends. We were focusing on Tilt Holdings. Remember Tilt Holdings? Those earnings weren't that hot, you know, and we got it picked up as baby knockout. Baby knockouts are under 25 cents and under. We think they have the ability to you know, take over that area or do some damage in that area or be dominating in that area. That's what these baby knockouts are. And Tilt Holdings, we thought, was maybe the nuts and bolts play of the marijuana industry. You know, it was the picks and shovels type play. And we still in a long-term hold. I know a couple people didn't really like me saying it was, you know, it still is a long-term hold. But at a quarter, and it's what, 50 cents or so USD, 50, 51 cents. So you're up right now. And I'm glad one of my subscribers corrected itself. I'm up right now. You're up. If you want to sell, sell. If you don't, yeah, it's going to be a ride, my friends. Tilt Holdings is going to be a ride. It's above its 200-day moving average right now. It's doing what it should be doing. That's what Tilt is doing right now. It didn't take off on earnings because the earnings were fairly weak, and it wasn't devastating weak, but they weren't the best. We expected more from Tilt Holdings. It's just one stock, my friends, Tilt Holdings. But the marijuana sector, as you know right now, the marijuana sector is kind of weeding itself out. The stocks that are no good are showing they're no good. They're going to our zero graveyard. And the stocks that have something going about them, have some mojo, they're rising up. So, my friends, keep an eye on those stocks that are rising up. I did get a report, what was it, yesterday, about MedMen, about them reopening, but this is from somebody. I'll talk about it anyway. They're going to because I'm going to tell you, and nobody else is going to tell you, stay away from MedMen. That's all I need to say. Stay away from MedMen. I don't need to tell you why. Just trust me when I tell you, stay away from MedMen. You know, unless you want to be a realtor or something, stay away from MedMen. That's all I have to say about them, my friends. And I was over there, and stay away. That's all I have to say. My friends, let's segue here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is holding our cryptos, doing fairly well. Bitcoin is holding at 9,300, 9,600 or so. It jacked down below 88 and back up. You know the deal. Ethereum holding at that 230 to 250 or so. As long as we stay in that area and we don't really crash down, my friends, the cryptos are going to be all right. Our Bitcoin miners now, what they're doing, they're trying to put themselves in position where they can decrease their production costs and increase their mining output. So all of our companies, and we deal with the stock. We don't have offshore accounts, my friends, and we don't have wallets and stuff. We're not dealing with them that way. And I don't know who is there anyone else, guys, that's dealing with Bitcoin like we are, dealing with the cryptos like we are with stock instead of, well, we're doing something a little unusual. Most of the guys are either buying or not, because you really don't defeat the purpose when you buy stocks, because it's fiat currency, stocks, dollar, what have you. Anyway, the object is to make money. So that's the way we're looking at it, my friends. A couple of our stocks, I'll tell you, Riot blockchain, they just relocated 4,000 Bitmain S17 Pros. So they're getting themselves in position, and they had one of their real estate, one of the contracts, the lease was running out. So they had to relocate to another area, and they got a better deal where they're getting the costs and stuff will be less. So they made that move. and they also, purchasing new equipment and stuff. Hive did the same thing. Hive blockchain, our baby knockout, and 1,090 new machines. So they get new. All of them are getting new equipment. Hut 8 right now are another one of our stock. It's doing a offering $1.45 Canadian, which puts it at about $1.07 or so USD, about where it is right now. They're going to have $7.5 million here soon in their coffers. So we'll see how that goes. That's plenty of enough money to buy some new equipment if that's what Hut 8 decides to do. Our lottery pick, DMG blockchain, also they have also bought some new mining equipment here lately. So the mining the mining arms race is alive and well, my friends. That war is on right now, and we have our stocks, I do believe, are right there ready for the war, my friends. They're ready to fight. They've got money and they're buying new equipment. They're getting the latest equipment and they're ready. This happening hit everyone pretty hard. It hit the miners hard. You guys remember, I did the video. We did a lot of vetting. We did a lot of research on these companies, and we've singled out 3 companies that we believed would survive after the happening. Look at that video. I think I'll try and post it up here for you. But that video, those 3 companies we believed would, and now they're showing their stuff right now. The prices aren't going up because pretty much they're proxies for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and those prices go up, then these are going to go up also. But my friends, you may or may not agree that it's riskier, I believe, to have an offshore account right now. And people, there's a lot of debate going on about this, my friends. I really don't want to get into it, but some people think buying stock is more risky than having an offshore account, wallet, and buying a Bitcoin directly from Coinbase. It depends on what angle you are, my friends, where you want to go with that. I have no problem either way. No problem either way. But I'm just assuming that you're listening to me because you're buying it the way that we're buying it, And we've had explosions already, my friends. At one point in time, they were all under 60 cents. Then actually went over 30 cents. What was Riot? Riot went over $3 rather, not 30 cents. Went over $3. And Hive, we caught really low. We caught Hive at, and I'm getting a telemarketer calling me. You know how it is. Hive, we caught under 10 cents USD. So these stocks are really, really rocking and rolling, my friends. Really rocking and rolling, and they're just tied to that price. Bitcoin, the cryptos, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum being the top 2, my friends, that we really focus on. The altcoins right now, we'll get into them a little later, okay? Some of you guys might want to, hey, Mickey, take a look at this altcoin and that. I'm not doing that research right now. No disrespect to any of you guys out there that are Bitcoin, the Bitcoiners and the crypto guys, but I'm not right now. We're just focusing mainly on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, my friends. Segue, my friends. Let's segue over to silver and gold. What's going on with silver, man? 1750 or so. We're having a little problem getting over 1750, 1800, 1850. Man, we're only $1 away from, I think, the big time in silver. 1850 and above, I think we're going to do something, my friends. I think, the generalist will get involved. People like us. Anyway, we're specialists. What are you talking about, generalists? Mickey D in the scoop. I heard somebody talking on another show. He said, we're generalists. We're good at everything. Is that what it is, journalists? We're good at everything? Whatever. Ain't no big thing, my friends. Gold, 1728, 1730. We need gold to get to 1750 also, my friends. That silver-gold ratio, my friends, it's still at about 98, 99. Way up high, my friends. Way up high. It's been up high for the last years and years. And my friends, the average, though, when you look at 20, 30 years or so, the average goes down to not where it is right now. Not 99, 98. The average is like about 60. 55, 60, 65, something like that. So that means silver has to go. It's simple, my friends. Silver has to go up. Is that clear enough? Silver has to go up. because the chances of gold crashing and going below 1,500, well, it could happen, but I don't think it will happen. It just may. It just may, but I don't think it will, my friends. So it's that simple. Our baby knockouts, and so when they come down, they go down 15, 12, 15% or so. I add, I jump on them, or I consider adding, and you and your stockbroker should get together and consider maybe doing the same thing, my friends. That's what you guys should consider doing. My friends, let's move over to uranium, the hated, dreaded uranium. Whoa. All it does is blow things up, man. The cleanest fuel out there, but we don't care. We hate uranium. Anyway, my friends, over $33 a pound uranium. Kazatomprom is still closed down, my friends. Still, 50% of the world's, 50% plus of global production is still offline. The drama continues. The story gets even better, my friends, from a fundamental standpoint here, my friends. With COVID-19 tearing things up, still a hot spot. Russia's still a hot spot. They still got things going on there. Canada's not too much better. My friends up in Canada can tell you, northern Saskatchewan. See, they're closer to Russia, so I can't get that Russian. Kazatomprom, Russia, Cigar Lake, and Chemical. Oh, you guys say it different. Chemical. How do you guys say it in Canada? Chemical. We say chemical. We've said chemical for the last 20 years, a long time in America. So however long the company's been there. And a lot of times, you guys know, I'll say something a little different. It'll be a little off, and you guys say, well, what did he mean this? It's because I'm in America, man. We do things different in America. Countries are just, each country has a little flavor, the way they pronounce. It's like YouTube shows. Each YouTube show has a little flavor, that you might like. Yeah, I like this guy. That guy I don't like. I like this guy. I like this show. He talks about this. Something, I can use something here. Well, I can't really use anything there. And that kind of stuff, But uranium, my friends, has been the top commodity, of course, this year, my friends. With 50% of the global production offline right now, the demand hasn't gone anywhere. The demand has only gone up, as they get closer to bringing facilities online. And, the Japanese might do a little something this year, maybe early next year. You never know, my friends. China's building, everybody's doing. We're talking infrastructure bill in America. What's that going to mean? Is it going to mean anything? Are they going to throw some more bones to the different miners? Or what's going to happen? It may be good for us. You never know, my friends. You never know. But the drama does continue with our stocks right now. We seem to be kind of leveling off in all our areas right now. There's really no big, this summer, weeding companies out. That's really what's going on, my friends. There are good companies in this uranium area. We already know. We're solid. We are solid, my friends. We are solid. And I've got some, we are solid. The companies that the marijuana, this little mini book, my friends, I'm talking about the leading uranium stocks for tomorrow. Those are good. The leading vanadium and uranium combo stocks. I was telling one of my subscribers, I was just saying, just look in your book, look at page 21, and you'll get the leading vanadium and uranium combo stocks. They're listed right here. They're listed, my friends. Those stocks may set you free, my friends. They just may set you free. You never know. Is there freedom in America? What country are you in? You guys, chime in. Let me know what's going on in your country. Are things dying down now because of Mr. Floyd? Are things dying down? They're not dying down in America. They're getting, but there's legislation coming. People are changing their attitudes. There's a lot going on, my friends. People are, there's like, wow, geez, I didn't even know this was going on, by George. Well, it is, and it has been for hundreds of years. So, as everybody wakes up, it's a good thing, my friends. But we know at the end of it, we got to feed our family. We got to eat. So, my friends, Let's use this market all around the world, my friends. You guys know, as you look at the scoop, and I give you guys what's going on with areas like cannabis. They're highly speculative, but you can make money. You know, gold, silver, highly uranium, but you can make money. You know, you can make money in these areas, my friends. There's nothing as fast as the Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum. You know, the Bitcoins are the altcoins are. We'll talk about those at another time. But they're going crazy. Bitcoin is leveling off. Again, it was 9,500. So it's going to break out here sooner or later. We'll see. It may be 5 or 6 months from now when it breaks. But it's going to break out. And our stocks, when they go down 10, 15, 20%, consider adding, my friends. We're in this for the long haul, my friends. God bless you and your family. Take care, my friends. Thank you for your thoughts and your prayers for everyone, my friends, here in America. We thank you very, very much. The world is taking note, and the world knows exactly what's going on right now, and it is tough. Especially if you saw that series the other night. Did you guys have a chance to see, what was it? What's the fall thing? The Los Angeles thing? With the Rodney King and, you know, the police like that. My friends, that was that. I want you to know, because people are from other parts of the world here. I want you to know that that has been going on for a very, very long time. And I'm so hopeful and so thankful and so glad to see people stand up. I'm talking about my black brothers. I'm talking about my white brothers and sisters. I'm talking about my Asian brothers and sisters. I'm talking about my Hispanic brothers and sisters. I'm just so thankful that everybody all over the world is standing up, my friends. And we talk about finances. Take that over to KP Video News, and you guys can talk about that, my friends. We are having a little difficulty. My friends. People have kind of fallen off a little bit. So your PayPal donations will keep us alive. And we thank you very, very much in advance, my friends, no matter what it is. And yes, I've got to work on something else. I know a couple subscribers have said, Mickey D, you need other places that we can help you out and donate. And we're trying to work on it, my friends. It's just taking a minute. You know, I don't have the staff that I need and have. You know, trying to get some additional books out and get some things done is really, really time consuming, and I don't have a chance to meet with you like I want to on a semi-daily, sometimes 2-3 days or so. I go and it's just like, what's up? I got to get with my YouTube family, man. My YouTube family gives me energy. I got to get with them, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great, great day.